Hi, we're here today to talk about needle threaders and needle store cases. Perfect for keeping your sewing room organized and also to keep perfect for traveling with as well. So those of you who do a lot of hexie projects, you'll know that you always need to have lots of needles that are threaded. So this is the perfect tool for you for your sewing room. So we're going to start with the Clover needle threader. This has been around for a long time and I've used it and I love it. It's probably the only needle threader that I've found that works consistently. I would say probably 90% of the time. There are the odd time when you have to do it more than once, but that's okay. It still threads it a whole lot better than me trying to thread it with my eye. So you put the eye of the needle in the needle threader. So that's the tiny little eye there. It goes in the needle slot and it's actually even marked. It says needle slot right on there. And then you're going to take your thread and you're just going to gently lay it just across the bottom slot and then press down on the button. And then when you pull that up, you can see there's a little loop there. And now you're just going to pull that loop and there's your thread threaded. Okay. I haven't even cut off my piece of thread from my spool because there's a cutter already built in to the needle threader. So that works really well. And it works on different size needles as well. This is a really fine one with a very tiny eye on it. So we're just going to pop that one in there and give it a try. We'll lay our thread down, click it, and there it is. And that eye is so tiny. There's no way that I would even be able to have threaded that one. And so that one's threaded and cut. And now we want to store these threaded needles, and this is the needle caddy. It's the dome threader case, and you can just stick your needle, your threaded needle, in the little slot. Then you're going to just turn this until your thread, so we just pulled that out. We're just going to turn it until our thread can come around here to the slot. You can see the slot there. I'm just going to turn it around. I'm going to put my thread in that slot and now I'm going to turn it. And now my thread just gets wound all the way around in the case. Doesn't get tangled up. I'm going to add my next threaded one right beside it. I'm going to put that thread in the slot and just turn it. I've even got another needle that was already threaded and I'm going to put it into one of the slots and then put my thread here and turn it. And it's all stored neatly in there. There's a nice little cap that just puts on so it won't fall off. When I'm ready to use a needle, I'm just going to pull out that needle and that thread comes out and it has not tangled in there. Isn't that wonderful? Have a great day.